Many foreign investors believe that a law firm's role in Vietnam is simple. Help set up a company, prepare documents, submit applications, and once the business is registered, the job is done. But in reality, this expectation is incomplete. Because in Vietnam, legal support is not just about incorporation. It is about protecting your investment throughout its entire life cycle. Establishing a company in Vietnam is a technical process, but it is not a strategic one by default. A law firm should not just register your business. It should help you choose the right structure, wholly foreign-owned company, joint venture, or other investment models. Because the structure you choose determines your level of control, compliance obligations, and future flexibility. A critical role of a law firm is ensuring that your company is structured for control, not just legal existence. Who has decision-making authority? How are shares held? What mechanisms protect your position? Without proper structuring, foreign investors may find themselves legally exposed, even when everything appears compliant on paper. In Vietnam, many industries require additional sub-licenses. A law firm should identify these requirements before you start operating, not after. This includes trading licenses, sector-specific permits, and operational approvals. Missing these can delay your business or make your operations non-compliant. Legal compliance in Vietnam is ongoing. Tax filings, investment reporting, labor obligations, corporate governance. A law firm should help you build a compliance system, not just inform you of obligations. Because without a structured approach, compliance becomes reactive, and that increases risk. Contracts are one of the most important tools for protecting your business, but only if they are enforceable. A law firm should draft agreements tailored to Vietnam law. NDAs, non-compete agreements, shareholder agreements, commercial contracts. Using generic templates is not enough, because what works in another jurisdiction may not work in Vietnam. A key function of a law firm is risk identification. Where are the legal vulnerabilities in your structure? What could go wrong in your operations? How can disputes arise? By identifying risks early, a law firm helps you avoid costly mistakes, instead of reacting after problems occur. Legal support should not stop after setup. Foreign companies in Vietnam face daily operational questions. Hiring employees, managing contracts, handling disputes, interacting with authorities. A law firm should act as an ongoing advisor, providing practical, real-time guidance. Vietnam's legal environment is not only about written law, it is also about how regulations are applied in practice. Procedures can vary, interpretations may differ between authorities. A law firm should bridge this gap, helping you understand not just the law, but how it works in reality. Foreign investors often focus on entering the market, but a law firm should think long-term. How will your business scale? What happens if you exit? How do you protect your assets and intellectual property? Legal strategy should align with your business goals, not just immediate requirements. There is a difference between a service provider and a legal partner. A service provider completes tasks. A legal partner protects your interests, guides your decisions, and helps you navigate complexity with confidence. For foreign investors in Vietnam, this difference is critical. At LTS Law, we go beyond basic legal services. We work with foreign investors as long-term partners. From structuring your investment to maintaining compliance and managing risk, we ensure that your business in Vietnam is not only established, but protected, compliant, and positioned for growth. Choosing a law firm in Vietnam is not just about cost or speed. It is about capability and strategy, because the right legal partner does more than set up your company. It builds the foundation for your success. Visit lts.com.vn to consult with our legal team and discover how we support foreign investors at every stage of their journey in Vietnam.